This single tree covers more ground than a football pitch. This is the banyan, Ficus benghalensis, one organism that grows its own forest, walks across the earth through centuries, and outlives the civilizations that plant it. The banyan begins its life inside another tree, germinating high in the branches, sending roots downward, eventually enveloping its host entirely. That is how it earned the name strangler fig. As it matures, aerial roots drop from its branches and thicken into new trunks, allowing a single tree to spread over 200 meters. Its figs feed more than 300 species of birds, mammals, and insects year-round. And beneath its canopy, temperatures drop by up to 8 degrees, a living air conditioner rooted in the soil. Plant your banyan during monsoon season or early summer for best results. Give it at least 50 meters of clearance from any building, road, or pipeline. This tree will claim every inch of ground it can reach. Once established after 3 years, it needs almost no care at all. Do plant in open parks, rural land, or reforestation corridors where it has room to become what it was meant to be. Do not plant near homes, roads, or underground pipes. The root system is one of the most powerful in the plant kingdom, and it will find a way through anything. The banyan is not just a tree, it is an entire ecosystem, one that walks, breathes, shelters, feeds, and outlives everything around it. Plant one today, and 300 years from now, it will still be growing. Restore, protect, inspire.